This song features two main chord patterns. For the verses, we're gonna start on an F sharp 5, meaning just an F sharp and a C sharp, nothing in between, and go right to an E5, E and B, nothing in between. In one hand, that could look and sound like this, one measure per chord, 2, 3, give it an F sharp, E major, and in two hands, it could look and sound like this, 2, 3, begin on F sharp, the chorus and bridge patterns will start on a D major, D, F sharp, A, for a full measure, then to an A major, A, C sharp, E, for a full measure, to an E major, E, G sharp, B, for another full measure, and then we'll have an F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp, for half the time, an E, E, G sharp, B, for half the time, and then restart that pattern on its D major. In one hand, that chorus pattern could look and sound like this, 2, 3, 4, D, A, E, F sharp, E, repeat, A, E, F sharp minor, E, D. In two hands, that chorus pattern could look and sound like this, beginning on D major, a 2, 3, 4. F sharp, E, repeat. Keep rocking.